Hey everyone, my name's Zara, welcome to my channel, Toy Infinity and Beyond. So today I'm going to be showing you a Decoden phone case DIY. So Decoden is basically when you have like a whipped style silicone based or clay based cream. It's not edible at all, it's just for decoration purposes. So I've got a phone case here that I'm going to do it on. It's originally from Japan, the trend, and the main thing is that you do it on a phone. I think it meant Decoden meant phone decorating, something like that. But people do it on other things like photo frames, jars, bags, etc. So I'm going to be doing it on my phone case, like I said. And I have a bunch of stuff here. I bought this from Decoden UK Supplies, so I'll put a link in the description so you can see the shop that I got it from. And I'm going to just show you everything I bought and then we'll start decorating the phone case. Okay, so this is like the bag of the stuff. I did open it and put it back together. I did have a sneak peek. So these are the silicone or like clay colours I've got. They were wrapped up separately, but I've just put them all in the bag that came in the end. So when I was reading on the shop, I believe that these ones are clay based, these three. And as you can see, I've got like a pink, a white and like a light purple or kind of like a lilac, and as you can see it says like simulation cream on it. And then I've got this one which is like a rainbowy kind of colour and it looks more transparent. And then next in here I have like the cabochons and the decorations and also some piping tips. So let's take a look. So I've got like these sprinkles, these are like hearts, and then I've got just normal sprinkles. And then I've got a bunch of these things. So here's a piping tip. It's kind of got like a star on it, if you can see that. And then I've got like some rainbow kind of decorations, or like a gummy bear. I love gummy bears. My favourite sweets. Some marshmallow style. Oh, the hair. Get rid of that. Put some in my hand so you can see them. They're all really cute. Like a little unicorn. This, what's it called? Like a marshmallow, a cake decoration, rainbow cake, a swirly sweet kind. Got these kind of resiny ones. Some chocolate which looks like it's been taken a bite out of. Oops. Some resin, a heart and like a bow and a star. Oh, and then these smaller ones, so these are more like the sweetie kind, sweeties, or even a tiny bear. So these are all super cute and like a lolly and stuff. I really love this rainbow one. It's quite flexible too. This one is more like a chocolate theme and the previous one was like a rainbow unicorn one. So that could probably go on top of there if I wanted. So this is like an ice cream cone and the whip. I've got these two like sprinkles, so I've got pink ones and then like these chocolatey flake ones. Oh yeah, there's even another ice cream thing here. Even a whipped bit. So this is kind of what it should look like when I actually use the Decoden cream or the simulation cream. Got like these straws, marshmallows, a macaron. These are all super cute. And then like all that pretzel, a heart, a waffle, like another lollies type one. So these are all really super cute and they all like complement each other, and even like this biscuit style one. That's really cute. And then also another piping tip. And then I got these like, what are they called, like gems? These sprinkle gems. Just really like the colours. So to start off with, I'm going to use my craft knife, which is basically a scalpel, and I'm going to scratch the phone case. Like so. So this will help the simulation cream like adhere to the phone case. because it's a really smooth surface, as it's like that plastic, and it won't stick if it's very smooth. So you need that sort of friction, and I really don't want my first one to go wrong. I've been watching a bunch of videos and blogs on Decoden, so hopefully this will go okay. Okay, so I've scratched up the phone case. I'm not sure that the camera is going to pick it up as it is transparent. So next I'm going to grab my charms. So I'm going to be using the ones from this bag. So the first bag that I showed you. I'm going to take these sprinkles out. So you want to plan out how you're going to place the charms onto the phone, as once you've done the piping, depending on the brand and the sort of silicone or clay simulation cream you're using, it can start to dry quickly, and also it depends on the atmosphere and the temperature where you live as well. These can all affect it, so it's one of those projects where you kind of need to work quickly in order to get the best results. So I live in the UK, as you could probably tell by my accent. It is usually quite a mild climate, and it's September right now, but today it's actually quite warm. So I'm not sure what that will mean. I think it might mean that it will take probably a bit longer to dry, if I remember correctly. There is a lot of information on the Etsy shop, and it explains the climate and everything and how long it should take. I think I'm quite happy with how this is now. So this is the layout I've decided on. So what I'm going to do is just move it over here, so I know kind of the order I had it in. So I'm going to use some blue tack just to help this stay in place, as I don't want it to move around whilst I'm piping. So I'm going to start with the purpley one, and I'm going to use this nozzle. So I have done piping before, like on cakes, so I am used to piping a little bit, but just not with this kind of stuff, so I don't know how different it's going to be. And these are really good as you can screw the nozzle straight onto the bottle. I have a piece of paper here. I'm just going to start to squeeze it a bit and just do a couple of practice piping. Okay, I'm going to start putting the charms down. Oh man, I can't believe how much it's set. So I'm going to just pipe some of this, so it has something a bit more to stick to. Hey guys, so this is the finished phone case. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I don't think I said it, but these clays that I got are actually scented. So it actually smells like sweets, and I did use it yesterday when I went out, and a wasp basically was obsessed with my phone and I kind of ran away but eventually the wasp flew away. So if you are going to use something like this, just be aware of that. I don't know, maybe it thought it was flowers or something. But the only thing I would say is that these are kind of difficult to use, like these tubes. Let it focus. When I was like trying to push the clay out, or the simulation cream, it would like go to the top, and I only kind of got used to it on the third colour, which was the white one I used, and I really had to use like this death grip to get it to come out the nozzle. But other than that, it was really fun to do, so I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more from myself, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!